Hi everyone. If you are watching this, you probably feel limited by the investment options in your company's 401k plan. You might be seeing high fees or just a lack of good choices. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the secret menu of your 401k called Fidelity BrokerageLink. This lets you invest in almost any stock or ETF you want right inside your workplace retirement plan. First, log into Fidelity NetBenefits and click on your 401k plan to get to the main dashboard. I have enabled two-factor authentication on my account, and I would highly recommend you do that as well. In a future video, I will show you how to do just that. Real quick, I am not a financial advisor, just a guy maximizing his own retirement. Not all employers offer brokerage link, so step one is checking if you even have this option. Let's continue. Now, after you log in and you come to this main dashboard, now this is where they hide it. Usually you need to look for a tab called quick links, and I'm going to click on that to reveal where to find brokerage link. As you see here, Fidelity have many options to manage your 401k. One option is a single fund strategy. Another option is the manage account. That's where you pay them to manage your account for a fee, or manage yourself, which I do, and I'm going to continue to show you how you can set that up by going to the brokerage link. As you can see, once we click on the investment tab, now we can click on brokerage link. Now I already have brokerage link set up for my account. As you can see here, you can click on that. If you don't see it, try searching for brokerage link in the search bar up here. Once you click brokerage link, you will see an open account button. It's going to ask you to agree to a bunch of terms. Essentially, it opens a separate sub account linked to your main 401k. A crucial tip, it might ask you how you want to fund it. You will have you don't have to move all your money. It will give you an option to transfer funds from your existing 401k through the brokerage link. So you could transfer all your money over. That's what I did, but you don't have to. You can also just choose to do a portion or set future contribution to go straight to your brokerage link. Once you have opened the account, it will show up as a separate line item in your portfolio. To actually use it, remember to transfer money from your standard 401k account into the brokerage link account. It usually takes 1 business day for the cash to settle. Once it's settled, you can log in, you can trade, you can buy ETF or stocks you actually want. Since I'm going to click to go right to the brokerage link account. Now I'm in brokerage link. I could make a trade, I could transfer, I could do everything that I usually do in a 401k account or any investment account. And that's it. It takes about 5 minutes to set up, but it gives you total control over your retirement fees and choices. In my next video, I will show you exactly how I buy specific ETFs inside this account and how I manage the automatic investment. If this was helpful, please like so other people can find this guide. Thanks for watching.